Why Asigra?
They represent the very best in the backup and recovery space.
They listen to us, they listen to the market,
and we get the peace of mind that we need. The people, the teams.
Ease of the recovery.
Trust.
A true partnership.
Communication is direct and easy.
Solution that meets the strictest industry standards.
Asigra gives me a strong and complete technology.
A highly functional managed service provider platform.
Which makes it easier for us to build our business.
To deliver a true end-to-end service.
With Asigra, I recover
my customers' peace of mind.
I recover control and autonomy over our backup services.
I know that I have the confidence to deliver a solution that works.
With Asigra, I can recover any device, anytime, knowing that I'll be successful.
Backup is just a process, but recovery
is everything.
Recovery is everything.
La recovery è tutto.
Mit Asigra schützen wir alle Daten.
数据保护是所有的东西，数据保护是根本。Recovery is everything.
Recovery is everything.
Asigra delivers recovery like no other.